Hello, so the morning's game at Bloxworth went something like this. The attacking team had unlimited respawn and went back 25 paces every time they were hit, while the defending team had 3 lives per area, giving them a total of 9 lives. The game was played over 3 large areas. The attacking team started at the high hedge line of the first area, while the defending team started at the bottom hedge line. The attacking team had to push their way through each area, clearing it of all defending players before proceeding to the next area. In the second area, the attackers had to retrieve a heavily guarded pirate flag in the centre of the woods. The attackers then had to push on to the third and final area where they had to drop off a pirate flag in the defender's base. The team that could do so the quickest wins.
I got a headshot on him. Yes. Shot. Move. Go. Whoa, George, closest barricade. Shot. Got him, you can move.
Left side's down.
Harvey, by the flag, by the flag. Got him. Yeah, you see one with a helmet on, Harvey, to your right, to your right. Shot, well done.
Yeah.
So the blue team managed to push their way through despite our best efforts. It took them a time of 1 hour and 10 minutes. So we swapped round and now it was our turn to attack.
Ready? On you. In the green hut, George, centre. Yeah, he's hit by the green, let's go. Watch your left. Let's move up to the right side of it. We've got to get that pirate flag. Go on, Half.
Straight ahead.
12 o'clock, other side. Right.
Hit! Yeah, there is someone in the house. Alright, I got you. Coming out.
Yeah, I see. I'll hit the left when you hit the right. Yep, go. Headshot. There you go. Moving.
Terrible.
Got him.
There's one to your 11 o'clock.
Oh, is that you or me?
I think that was you. That barricade.
Time to go.
Go.
Watch your right, George.
How far did you say?
Right the other side of his bunker. You're okay to pop. Nice shot.
Yeah, I think we have to go right to clear this guy's out really. So do you want to go to that bunker?
Yeah.
There's a guy over here. There's one there.
There's one at the cross. Harvey, if you keep him pinned over there, we'll run
Probably
this
hit
way.
him right now. Do you want to go to this bunker?
Cover. Okay. I got you. Yep. Just moving, George. Hey, there. Oi. Let's go tree to tree, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's get it done, come on.
We'll get the guys over here. Oh, there is someone.
Yeah. Right behind it.
Unfortunately, my GoPro stopped recording just as we rushed the defending base. However, we managed almost half the blue team's time and delivered a flag to their base in 39 minutes. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and later on I'm going to be posting the afternoon's game, so stay tuned for that.